Created by Ford Australia in 1968, this is the legendary XT GT Falcon. The big news for the XT GT was a new 302 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor developing 230 brake horsepower, with slightly more torque than the old 289 as well. Other changes to the XT GT included a 3.1 limited slip diff, revised suspension, driving lights and wider 6-inch rim. Further broadening the appeal of the model, the XT GT was now available in a range of colours. The one you see here is candy apple red. These cars don't command the $1 million that Phase 3s apparently get, but let me tell you, they're exceptional value for money.